Hey everyone, we're going to go over goal seek and what if analysis in Microsoft Excel. So in this example, we set a goal for ourselves to have a conversion rate of over 50% at the end of the year. And through July through November, we have run our campaigns and we still have December left. And we want to know what will it take in December to get us to where we need to be at. So we're going to find out the average that we're currently at by adding up all of our data so far. We want to include even our blank cell. So currently we're at 48 and our goal was to get 50 or higher. So this is where goal seek comes in. So we'll go up to what if analysis, click on goal seek. Set cell should be at the one that you have. We want this value to be 50 because that's the mark that we want to reach. And then by changing cell P8, we are going to be able to determine what we need in order to reach 50. So by using that formula, we know that in December we need a conversion rate of 58% or higher to reach our goal of 50. So goal seek is very helpful when trying to figure out what you need for your campaigns and your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.